Have you ever caught a whiff of a certain scent and felt like you were instantly transported back to a specific moment in your past? Maybe the smell of fresh-baked cookies takes you straight to your grandmother's kitchen, or the scent of a certain perfume reminds you of someone special. It's fascinating, isn't it? In this video, we're diving deep into the science and psychology behind this powerful connection between smells and memories. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why this happens, but you'll also have a new appreciation for the way our brains work. So stick around, because this is going to be a sensory journey like no other. What makes smell so unique? To understand why smells trigger memories, we first need to explore what makes our sense of smell so special. Unlike our other senses, sight, hearing, taste, and touch, smell has a direct line to the brain's emotional and memory centers. When you breathe in, odor molecules enter your nose and bind to receptors in your olfactory system. These receptors send signals directly to two key brain regions: the amygdala, which processes emotions, and the hippocampus, which is responsible for memory. This unique neural pathway is the reason smells can evoke such vivid and emotional memories. Here's a fun fact. Humans can detect over 1 trillion different odors. While we may not rely on our sense of smell as much as other animals do, its connection to memory is one of the most powerful and primitive aspects of our brains. Stick with me, because the way this works is absolutely mind-blowing. The science of smell and memory. Let's get a little more technical. Most sensory information, like the sights you see or the sounds you hear, first goes through a relay station in the brain called the thalamus before being processed further. But smell is different. It skips the thalamus altogether and goes straight to the olfactory bulb, which has direct connections to the amygdala and hippocampus. This unique pathway is why smells are so closely tied to emotions and memories. For example, if you smell pine trees, it might instantly remind you of the holidays or a camping trip, even if you haven't consciously thought about those moments in years. This phenomenon is called the Proustian effect, named after French writer Marcel Proust, who famously described how the smell of a Madeleine cookie dipped in tea brought back a flood of childhood memories. Science has since confirmed this effect, showing that smells can trigger more vivid and emotional memories than other sensory cues. Why do smell memories feel so emotional? Now you might be wondering, why do these memories feel so intense compared to, say, memories triggered by a photograph or a song? The answer lies in the way our brains are wired. The amygdala and hippocampus aren't just memory and emotion centers, they're also closely intertwined. When a smell triggers a memory, it often activates an emotional response at the same time. That's why a simple scent can make you feel nostalgic, happy, or even tearful almost instantly. Interestingly, smell-triggered memories tend to be among our earliest. Research shows that the majority of scent-related memories are formed before the age of 10. This is because our sense of smell is particularly strong during childhood, and our brains are more impressionable at that time. So the next time you smell something that reminds you of your childhood, you'll know why. Practical implications of the smell-memory connection. The connection between smell and memory has some incredible real-world applications. For instance, the fragrance industry often uses this knowledge to create perfumes and products that evoke certain emotions or memories. Similarly, companies use scent marketing to enhance customer experiences. Think about the signature smell of a luxury hotel or a coffee shop. Those scents are carefully chosen to leave a lasting impression. Beyond marketing, this connection also has therapeutic benefits. Aromatherapy, for example, uses scents like lavender or eucalyptus to reduce stress and improve well-being. And for people with Alzheimer's or dementia, familiar smells can sometimes help unlock memories and provide comfort. So there you have it. The fascinating science behind why smells trigger memories. It's a reminder of just how intricate and amazing our brains are, and how something as simple as a scent can hold so much meaning. The next time you catch a familiar smell, take a moment to appreciate the memories and emotions it brings up. After all, our sense of smell isn't just about detecting odors. It's a gateway to our past. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the human mind and body. And before you go, let us know in the comments, what's a smell that instantly brings back a memory for you? We'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.